Okay, on today's do-it-yourself, got a problem with my sink here. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what's going on. And as you will see, the water pressure is non-existent. That's full tilt. There's just hardly any water coming out of this faucet. And I know why that is. I fixed this just the other night. So something is lodged into the, tube that comes up to the top of the sink gooseneck there. And there's a little tiny filter in the head of this, and I'm going to show you how to clean that out. Okay, so the first thing to note is we are going to, in this case, pull this thing down and unscrew right here. Now, before I do that, if I were to just unscrew this, I'll go ahead and take this off. I'm going to hold on to this. If I were to let go of this, it is going to completely disappear up into this gooseneck, and I'm going to be spending a lot of time under the sink trying to fish that up, back, and through, and we don't want to do that. So I'm going to use this little hack right here. This is just a little clothes hanger from Target or something. Clip on there, and voila, I can let go. And now the problem is just going to be with this filter. Okay, now this filter, I'm not sure how well the focus on this camera is going to get it. I'll back up a little bit, but there's gunk. I'm using a toothpick. There's a little screen inside this filter, and I'm just going to move this around. And as you can see, there is this like piece of plastic or something that got caught in the line. So I'm going to set that aside, throw that away, kind of move this little toothpick around. Don't want to jam it into the screen, but just kind of drag it for anything that might be there. And then I'm just going to reposition my camera here. Okay, and now that that filter is cleared out, I'm just going to screw this back on here. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Get that back on. Take this coat hanger off of here. And voila, full pressure. Full pressure is back. So there you go. Super simple fix for your sink that's got crap stuck in it. There you go.